Have we ever considered that a surgical suture could do more than just close a wound, but also accelerate the healing process? Good morning, my name is Mutia Azahra. I'm from Muhammadiyah I Senior High School, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Based on data from Indonesian Ministry of Health 2024, the number of surgeries continue to increase, reach 1.2 million cases in 2021. However, post-operative inflammation and complications such as surgical site infection, which in Indonesia reach 55.1%, remain a major problem. And one of the major triggers of this inflammatory is a surgical suture material. To address this problem, I developed an innovation, absorbable surgical suture based on Japanese ginseng extract and PVAGA for postoperative inflammation reduction. Why I choose Japanese ginseng? Because Japanese ginseng is a local plant that is easy to cultivate and relatively quick harvest time. And Japanese ginseng also contains ginsenoside, flavonoid, and saponin that have anti-inflammatory properties. And I paired this Japanese ginseng with PVAGA or polyphenol alcohol and glycolic acid for adjustable degradation time and mechanical strength. This research has two main objectives. First, to determine the effect of variation in the concentration of Japanese ginseng extract on the characteristic of absorbable surgical suture. And the second, to determine the efficacy of the anti-inflammatory content of Japanese ginseng extract on inflammation. For the methodology, I prepared a Japanese ginseng and PVAGA based sheets with a variation Japanese ginseng concentration 1, 2.5, and 5%. These were subjected to FTIR test and tensile strength test. And I also prepared a Japanese ginseng extract and PVAGA coated surgical suture for in vivo test to observe inflammatory cell counts and wound healing process. The results were compelling. First, tensile strength, increasing alongside extract concentration, and the highest was observed at an extract concentration of 5%. Despite this strength, elongation remains high, so it's flexible and not brittle. Second, FTIR analysis confirms stable physical interaction, ensuring the material's stability. Now, look at this crucial in vivo data. Compared to silk, KS, and chromic catgut, KC, our ginseng-coated suture P1, P2, and P3 showed a significant reduction in inflammatory cell. Specifically, the 2.5% concentration showed the most optimal result, with the lowest inflammatory level and the fastest wound healing. In conclusion, Japanese ginseng enhance both the mechanical and biological performance of absorbable suture, with 2.5% concentration showing the most optimal result. This highlights its strong potential as an innovative and biocompatible solution to reduce postoperative inflammation. I am Mutia Azahra. See you next time.